Let me show you how to reveal a password in 1Password. If you're currently using the web version of your 1Password or you're using an extension, you can quickly reveal a password easily to see what it is. And you click the extension, for example, you want to go ahead and select the vault. So you can click the icon in the upper left and select the vault that contains the password. Once you find the password or the credentials details that you want to view, just simply click on it. Then where it shows a password, you have the option to copy. So if you click on copy and press a Control V, like for example in a browser or notepad, you'll be able to see the password directly paste there. Or if you open up, for example, the 1Password and you select the current password credentials that you want to view, there's a drop down icon right next to where it says copy. Click on it and it's going to show reveal and show enlarge type. And so you want to click on reveal and it's going to also show you the password and you can copy it from here. So that's it. That's how you can easily go ahead and let's say reveal a password in 1Password. Very easy and very simple, guys.